Welcome to MTB Evening Brief. Here's what you need to know today. Breaking: gold crashed 5.57% in its biggest single-day drop in over a decade, while the Dow hit an all-time high. If you think markets are making sense, wait until you hear about crypto. I'm breaking down the chaos. The Dow made history, hitting 47,125, a new record driven by Coca-Cola and 3M earnings. But the S&P 500 and nasdaq barely moved as tech stocks took a breather. Apple hit a record high yesterday, but today momentum stalled. Why? President Trump expressed uncertainty about meeting President Xi this month, causing markets to retreat instantly. But the real carnage happened in commodities. Gold absolutely collapsed, down 5.57% to $4,114, wiping out billions in its biggest drop since 2013. It hit a record high of $4,393 before plummeting to $4,151. What triggered it? The dollar surged 0.6% as investors rotated out of safe haven assets. Despite the crash, gold is still up 49% year over year. Crude oil climbed 1% to $58.05 per barrel. And if you thought crypto was safe, think again. Bitcoin dropped below $108,000, down 2.9%, and now 14% below its recent all-time high. Ethereum crashed 4.2% to $3,867, losing critical support levels. The total crypto market shed $120 billion, falling to $3.76 trillion. If Bitcoin breaks below $103,700, analysts say we're looking at a confirmed downtrend. Liquidations hit $320 million in 24 hours, and US Bitcoin ETFs saw $40 million in outflows. So what's driving all of this? Three things. First, the government shutdown just hit day 21, though it could end this week. Second, earnings season is heating up. Netflix reports after the bell today with expected revenue of $11.51 billion, up 17%. Third, the September CPI inflation report drops later this week, the last data before the Fed's October meeting. Goldman Sachs expects inflation to rise 0.3% month over month, which could determine if this rally continues or crashes. Bottom line, we've got a record Dow, collapsing gold, bleeding crypto, and massive uncertainty. The next 48 hours will be critical. Stay sharp. That's your market breakdown for Tuesday, October 21st. Don't miss tomorrow's update. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Visit marketsdailybrief.com. See you tomorrow.